So I know that you're doing some of the most advanced work on sleep disorders and doing a ton of research on cognitive therapy and how that can be very helpful. Can you share some of this most advanced research and what you're studying and what you're putting out there?
So, the first line of defense for something like insomnia is therapy. I believe that people help people with health problems generally. And there's a lot of solutions that try to replace the clinician. I see clinicians as creators, and sometimes they've honed their craft over 20 years for solving a specific problem. And so we're trying to make tools to empower those creators basically by augmenting their therapy, by being able to touch their patients more in their home environments, by controlling the sound, the light, and temperature in order to optimize your circadian rhythm and make sure you're sleeping more deeply.
So I know that you're the CEO of SleepSpace and you all have developed an app, you're developing some devices. Can you share with us just from a technology standpoint, the types of things that you're developing and how that really helps people sleep?
Yeah, so we think about it as the sleep operating system. So one of the problems with all these wearables is they're sort of black boxed. Like Oura won't tell me as a scientist like how they make this algorithm. I can measure the margin of error, and we did a study to do that, but it's still black boxed. So what we're doing is we're grabbing all of the data from all the wearables, making our own algorithm on the Apple Watch, and we're actually going to release it to the public, to all scientists, to be able to actually see the margin of error for the devices. Because if you black box it, a scientist or a clinician can't really use it that effectively. And then once we open this up, we think that there's going to be lots of other opportunities for using this algorithm to enhance people's sleep. The other thing I'll add is not everyone wants to wear one of these. Mm-hmm. So 50% of people don't want to wear anything while they sleep, let alone a helmet while they sleep. So we also made sure that we made some solutions that actually turn your phone into a smart bed. And so there's multiple ways of measuring sleep. Nearables, non-invasively, less accurate. Wearables, a little more invasive, a little more accurate. And then electrodes, very invasive, very accurate. Yep. And we're trying to triangulate all those, give them to the clinician to use as a tool.